So to add outline to the an image, so for that open the Canva website. After opening it, open our design, then come here. Let's first of all we will add a background, and after adding the background, now let's select our image. Okay, the image that we would like to draw outline, white outline outside that. So for that, just come here to the uploads. In the upload I have this image. Let's take it here. Let's add our outline. Okay, to this press the edit photo button. After that select magic edit. Come here to the shadow. Okay, to the effects, to the shadow, press the shadow. After that select the glow one. See, glow and outline. Okay, both. Let's for example outline, and let's select now the size and blur amount, and let's change the color to white. Okay, let's make it white. See, we have added. Okay, just you can change the design. Okay, like intensity, you can decrease the intensity. Sorry, I have added to that, but we should add to this one. Okay, to the image outline, let's decrease the intensity, check that. Okay, the angle and blur amount. Okay, it's the blur amount, decrease that. Size, okay, how much size you want. Distance, check that. So it is all about, okay, how to add outline to the image using Canva.